Hey guys, Adam with Workman Firearms here. In today's video, we're going to be doing the disassembly and reassembly of the HK VP9. So let's get this bad Larry back to the bench and get her taken apart. Alright, so now that we're back at the bench, we're going to start the disassembly process of our HK VP9. To begin this process, we're going to clear the firearm. So we're going to drop the magazine. Then we're going to rack that slide to the rear and lock it back. Physically and visually inspect the chamber, as well as physically and visually inspect the mag well, and then just do a double check. And then we want to leave that slide rack to the rear. We're going to take our takedown lever right here. We want to push it down clockwise into the 6 o'clock position, and it's going to lock into place there. And then we're going to take our slide release. You can use either side because it does have an ambidextrous slide release. You're going to push it down and then grab our slide and pull it off of the front of the frame, just like that. This is our frame as broken down as we need it to be, so we will set it off to the side there. Then we want to focus on taking our slide the rest of the way down. So we will compress this recoil spring by pushing it towards the front of the slide and pull it right out there. And then we want to push on the bottom of that barrel and then just slide it up and out. And now our slide is taken apart as we need it to be, completely stripped here. We don't want to take any of the internals apart unless we were to be, changing something or looking at an issue with the firearm. So from there, we can clean and lube the firearm and begin the reassembly process. So to reassemble the firearm, you're going to want to leave that slide laying upside down like that. You want the flat part of the barrel to be facing towards the table, and then you're going to want to take that barrel and push it in towards the front of the slide and then slide it back so it locks into place there. And then we can take our recoil spring. So you want the part of the recoil spring with the small notch facing towards the back of the barrel, and you want the part with the notch through it facing the front of the slide. So you're just going to take it, start at the front of the slide, and then compress that spring, and it's going to catch right on the barrel like that. Now our slide is back together. We can take our frame now. Start at the front of frame. These are the rails we want to slide it back on. Start at the front, slide all the way back. Continue sliding and lock that slide into place, and then we're going to take our takedown lever and flip it counterclockwise back up into its original position, and it'll click right into place for us. From there, we can release our slide like so, and we can make sure our slide rack's nice and clean. Looks good. We can do a functions check, pull that trigger, check for reset, and it's good to go. That is how you disassemble and reassemble the HK VP9. Thanks for watching, guys.